Hi friends! Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're drawing something super sweet and yummy, a chocolate milkshake.
Yay!
Doesn't that sound delicious? Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. So grab your black markers and let's get started. First, let's draw the cup. Start by drawing a large rectangle at the bottom of the page. Now, on top of that rectangle, draw a slightly smaller one for the top part of the cup. Great job, everyone! Next, let's make some yummy foam on top of the cup. Draw a rectangle on top of the foam. Then divide it into 4 equal parts to look like chocolate squares. Yum! Now, let's add a fun straw on the side. Draw a curved line coming out from the foam and make it a candy-striped straw by adding diagonal lines. Perfect! Let's make our milkshake even cuter by giving it a face. On the cup, draw 2 big eyes and a happy smiley mouth. Let's sprinkle some extra love by adding heart shapes floating around the milkshake. Doesn't it look awesome? Now it's time to make our artwork pop. Carefully outline everything with your black marker to make it bold and sharp. Wow, look how cute it looks now.
Yay!
And now, it's time to color. Grab your color pens and let's make this milkshake super colorful and yummy. Red color. Yellow color.
La 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 la. Beep 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 beep.
Pink color. Brown color. Light brown color.
La da 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 dee.
Chocolate color. Amazing! Look how sweet and colorful our chocolate milkshake looks now. Great work, everyone! You all did such a fantastic job drawing and coloring this adorable chocolate milkshake. Don't forget to share your artwork with your family and friends. Thank you for drawing with me today, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.